Hello, and thank you to the Alliance for Justice for inviting me to speak today. Thank you to everyone who's participating. I want to give a special shout out to Alliance for Justice President Nan Aaron. Thank you for your work. Everyone who is joining this important discussion today. It is really good to have a chance to speak about something I think is really important, and that's professional diversity on the federal bench. There is an ongoing fight about what our federal court should look like. It's a fight over whether our ambition is for courts that are a neutral forum, faithfully interpreting the law and dispensing fair and impartial justice, or whether we are going to accept corporate capture of our federal courts, transforming them into just one more rigged game. I don't need to tell any of you that in Washington, power is not balanced. Well-financed corporate interests line up their lobbyists to try to take every advantage. I saw this up close and personal in the 2008 financial crisis when I fought for stronger financial regulations against the biggest banks in this country. You know, in our democracy, when we write our laws, corporations have real advantages. Money, lobbyists, plenty of access to lawmakers. They fight hard to protect their own interests, and too often they win. But even when big business loses a fight in Congress, well-financed corporate interests know that they can turn defeat into victory if they can get a favorable court opinion. If they can rig the courts, a friendly judicial system will give them a second bite at whatever they want. Professional diversity among federal judicial nominees is one vitally important way for us to insulate our courts from this fate. That's why we must continue fighting for professional diversity across the bench and prevent the full corporate capture of our federal courts. When senators are called on to suggest nominees to the White House, we need to think of diversity in the fullest meaning of that word. It is important to have a federal bench that truly reflects America. That means racial and ethnic diversity. And we should also understand that public defenders, civil rights attorneys, and legal aid lawyers have historically been overlooked for roles on the federal bench. We need judges with these backgrounds, judges who are uniquely familiar with the legal needs of everyday Americans and who can render more informed decisions because of it. President Biden has recognized the importance of nominating individuals with these backgrounds to the federal bench, sending a powerful message about who his administration wants to put forward in these roles. We need to ensure that the next generation of judges will be fair, even-handed, and will have the broad experience to fairly consider all sides of the issues that come before them. We need to be building a federal bench that reflects the best and the brightest from every corner of our legal profession. I will continue speaking with my Senate colleagues and the White House about this, and I know you will keep fighting too. This is how we make change over time, and I'm in this fight with you all the way.